Hello. I don't know what to do. Hello. Smack, 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 smack. Can you hear me type? Can you hear me type?
I'm letting you know I may get a
Oops. Maxie. Hello. Annie. No. Would y'all like me to make a very awful sound that I can actually make? Don't shoot me. Ah. Cheeseburger. Not me. No, you don't. You do. You do. Wait. Yeah, you want to shoot the right. Oh.
I think it's milk.
Same. Actually, no, I think it's cyber. Oh. My headphones doesn't fit my head. Save me.
No, Dad, you got stabbed. We know.
Oh God. No, 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 no. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Came off pirate ship.
What if I stay with you?
I would. I need more ghosts so I can be. No, I do not want to die in events. I want to get 18 gold. I got 18 gold. Now I can shoot people if they come right past me with they. Is it? Wait, is it? Oh,
They like gold stick.
well, they're dead.
No, they're not.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, 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 crap. No, 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 no. I don't have a gun. 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 No, please. No, please.
Turn and run. Turn and run.
No, please. No, please. No, please. Why is he just like running around me, not trying to stab me? Excuse me? Oh, never mind. Hey, excuse me, that's illegal to throw knives at people. Oh wait, I was the last person. Why was he doing that? If I would have the gun and I tricked him, I would have shot him. He killed me. Hey, there's a thing called that you can get off the map. I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, we know.
Same. I think he get in trouble. Oh, he doesn't. He doesn't.
By the way, you can get back in the map.
Save me.
Pale. I got a pale.
I think you're the murderer, Winter.
We haven't even.
Well, I'm guessing. Who's the murderer? You are the murderer, I think.
Art, you wanna bet? You wanna bet? I have a gun.
Oh. Well, that means you're detective. Well, who do you think is the murderer? I'm innocent.
Hi.
Hello. I'm confused. I'm why. Save me.
I'm gonna go shoot these. I'm gonna go shoot these things.
No, don't shoot me. I swear.
Hey, I kinda saw you join because I'm using Discord on my phone.
Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, please. I'm not murderer. If you're gonna shoot me, I'm mad. I'm hiding. No, get me in this building.
Which building?
I'm not telling you. You could be lying, which you probably aren't. But hello. There's a sprinting guy. There's a sprinting guy. He's sprinting. So that means he's a murderer. I know that doesn't mean he's a murderer, obviously. But he could be. Yeah, true.
Wait, is he running?
Yes, he's running. Yes. Getting gold. I'm laggy. Save me.
What's up? Where'd you go? Do you have a weapon? No.
I'm scared.
How the fuck?
There's a way to get the map in. It's still having.
Wait, what?
Go through your inventory for me. Just go through your
I'm scared.
Only if you buy it.
If that was a thing, then now I would. Oh, it scared me. God dang it. Just shooting random person? Yeah, but I just walked through the door and I died. It's stupid. No, it's probably because they just gonna shoot me. Because that's normally what happens. Hey, I'm recording. So do shush shush shush.